Okay, so here we are. The box came a little bit broken, but that's okay. So excited to see what's in this box. Okay. There it is. Oops. Oh, look at this. Yes. We'll have so much fun with them. Oh, what a beauty. Oh my gosh, it's quite big. I did not expect her to be that big. I love it. Okay, now carefully through them all the layers of plastic here. Alright. Oh wow. She's heavy. Okay. And ooh, a lot of hair. That's gonna be fun. Okay, so let's remove that plastic here. Oh, we'll make her so many new clothes and skirts and dresses. I have so many ideas. Alright, so let's remove this thing here. Oh, wow. This is her. So let's write those eyes. Oh, surprise. I'm not doing something right. Okay. And let's see what else is there. Oh, it has to click. All right, now that makes sense. 2, 3, 4. Ah, that's so good. So her face is matte. So she has a nice fringe and a lot of hair, like a lot. I think it was a good purchase. All right. Okay. Let's see. She's moving just fine. Let's see. Okay. And I think that's all. All her joints look like they're working. And she looks just fine. We'll get her rubber bands to make different hairstyle or cut her hair. I'm not really sure, but look at this. That's a lot of hair. That's too much, I think. Like a little mermaid. Okay, well, see you later.